Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Honorable Actor Mrs. Hairunisa Dwinanda and all of my beloved friends. First of all, let's thank the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has mercy and blessing, so we are able to come here to present the result of our discussion. Ladies and gentlemen, our presentation today is about determining the instructional media. Now, I will read one by one our agenda today. There are the first session is open, second session is introduction, the third session is presentation time from our group, the last session is closing. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's open our presentation by saying Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The second session, introduction. Let me introduce our group. Member are Ramadan Sultan Syahputra,
Syifa Ihya Ungsia, and Latifah.
Thank you for us. For the next agenda, presentation session. For the first turn will be given by the first presentation. Please welcome Latifah.
Okay, now I will present the media for its elements in FASTI. FASTI, Junior High School. Elemen menyimak dan berbicara, or listening and speaking, about material, expressing agreement and disagreement. The learning objective is siswa mampu menyampaikan dan merespon pendapat setuju dan tidak setuju yang digunakan dalam situasi pembicaraan formal dan informal secara fasih dan relevan. Students are able to expressing and respond to opinion, agreement, and disagreement used in situation of formal and informal conversation fluently and relevantly. The media we use is human. The purpose is to give the student oral or authentic practice as an example of expressing agreement and disagreement. The reason we choose human or student as a media for listening and speaking element to involve student in oral practice.
Okay, students, now I will ask for two volunteers to have a conversation and give opinion, agree or disagree about this topic. Using handphone should be banned at school. Who wants to try the conversation? Saya Go ahead. The other students, please listen to them.
Okay, tell me Sultan, what's your opinion about using handphone should be banned at school?
But using handphone should be banned at school? I disagree, because the handphone is an important thing for students. How about you?
I agree this topic. Using handphone should be banned at school because I think the handphone can disturb to learning activities.
Okay, good. Give applause.
Okay, for the next, elemen membaca dan memirsa or reading and viewing. The material about greeting sentence. The learning objective is siswa mampu mengidentifikasi dan membedakan kalimat sapaan dalam bentuk pembicaraan formal dan informal secara cermat dan akurat. Students are able to identify and distinguish greeting sentence using formal and informal conversation carefully and accurately. The media that we use is PowerPoint. The purpose is to give the student example of formal and informal greeting sentence. The reason we choose PowerPoint, a media for reading and viewing element, to make the student able to understand the concept of greeting sentence. PowerPoint is one of the media that can make students learn by read the explanation.
Oke students, di sini Miss sudah menyiapkan tentang materi hari ini di PowerPoint. Itu tentang apa?
Reading sentences.
Betul sekali. Selanjutnya silakan Mbak Lalita baca.
Yang pertama yaitu greeting atau ungkapan salam. Ungkapan sapaan atau salam dibagi menjadi dua, yaitu formal dan informal greeting. Formal greeting biasanya digunakan pada situasi resmi formal ataupun familiar, sedangkan informal greeting digunakan pada situasi santai, biasanya sudah familiar atau kenal dengan lawan bicara dan tidak resmi.
Betul. Selanjutnya tentang contoh formal greetings.
Formal greetings. Formal greetings. Good morning. Responsesnya good morning. Artinya selamat pagi. Next. Good day or noon. Responsesnya good day or noon. Artinya selamat siang sekitar jam 12. Next. Good afternoon. Responsesnya good afternoon. Artinya selamat siang. And the last, good evening. Responsesnya good evening. Artinya selamat petang atau sore atau malam.
Selanjutnya yang informal.
Informal greetings. What up? Responsesnya pretty well. Next is good to see you. Good to see you. Responsesnya good to see you too. Next, how are things with you? Responsesnya okay, not bad. Next, how is it going? Responsesnya well, nothing special. Next, how is life been treating you? Or how's life? Responsesnya it's pretty good, thanks. And last, what's your with you? Responsesnya nothing much.
Thank you.
Okay, for the last, elemen menulis dan mempresentasikan, or writing and presenting. About the material is 5W and 1H. The learning objective is siswa mampu memproduksi dan memaparkan kalimat pertanyaan menggunakan kata 5W1H dalam bentuk verbal serta non-verbal secara jelas dan koheren. Students are able to produce and explain a question using 5W1H in verbal and non-verbal forms clearly and coherently. The media that we use is piece of paper. The purpose is to test the students on their writing skill. The reason we choose pieces of paper as a media for writing and presenting element to give the students free practice of how to produce and deliver their question and see their writing skill. Thank you.
Di dalam sini ada kata tentang 5W dan 1H. Miss akan minta kalian mengambil masing-masing 3 dan membuat kalimat pertanyaan menggunakan kata yang ada di sini. Dimengerti?
Mengerti,
Yes,
Miss.
Oke, silakan diambil.
Saya menulis what is your name. What is your name artinya siapa namamu. Yang kedua, where are you from? Di mana rumahmu? Yang ketiga, how about you? Bagaimana tentangmu? Seperti itu, Miss.
Oke.
Oke, saya menuliskan 3 W plus 1H. Salah satunya when. Itu artinya kapan, dan kalimat saya adalah when were you born, yang artinya kapan kamu dilahirkan. Next, why, mengapa, kenapa. Why are you sad, mengapa kamu sedih. Next, and the last, who is her, siapa dia. Thank you. For the second presenter will be given back to last presenter. Please welcome Shiva Ihya.
Okay, now I will present the media for each element in Lesson E. For class 10 senior high school, elemen menyimak dan berbicara. Material is about expressing intention. Learning objective, siswa mampu menyampaikan dan merespon niat melakukan sesuatu mengenai isu-isu familiar dalam situasi pembicaraan formal dan informal secara fasih dan signifikan. Students are able to deliver and respond to expressing intention regarding familiar issues in situation of formal and informal conversation fluently and significantly. The media that we use is YouTube video. The purpose is to give students the example of expressing intention and respond it in a conversation forms. The reason we choose YouTube video as a media for listening and speaking element is because the students need to know based on their own opinion about what is expressing intention before the teacher give an explanation about it. Based on our opinion, introducing the topic through YouTube video is the effective way to catch their attention. Also, we select the media with an interesting animation. The disadvantage of YouTube as a media is not every student can easily learn through audio visual.
Okay, students, here we have a YouTube video. I have prepared a YouTube video about expressing intention. Please listen to the video first.
It will be a long weekend soon. Do you have any plans? I'm not sure. I don't have any idea yet. I think I might stay at home.
Stay at home. Well, you can do something more interesting.
So, what about you, babe? Do you have any plans?
Hey Ratifa, how are you?
Hey Sultan, of course, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm so. By the way, what's your plan for holiday?
I plan to visit grandma's house.
That's good idea. Why?
Because her house is very homey.
For your home, that's good cycling.
How about you?
I visit the hall in my house.
Oh, good idea, Sultan.
Yes. Thank you.
Elemen membaca dan memeriksa. Materi about descriptive text. Learning objective. Siswa mampu mengidentifikasi dan menafsirkan teks deskriptif mengenai isu-isu familiar dalam kehidupan sehari-hari secara teliti dan tepat. Students are able to identify and interpret descriptive text regarding familiar issues in daily life carefully and accurately. The media that we use is printed material, a picture of Taj Mahal, and the descriptive text. Purpose: to give the students a picture of Taj Mahal and an example of descriptive text. Reason we choose printed material as a media for reading and viewing element is to make the students able to understand the concept of descriptive text. Printed material can be very helpful for students to read text, but the disadvantage is students might not know the meaning of the text because English is not their first language. The teacher should read and translate the text for them.
Okay, students, in here I have a picture. See, do you know what it is?
Masterpiece? Oh, musola.
Are you sure?
Tanggan.
Are you sure?
Taj Mahal.
Oh iya.
That's
bener.
right. This is a picture of Taj Mahal. Do you know where Taj Mahal is?
Acehnya India.
That's good.
Yeah.
Correct. This Taj Mahal, this picture is pretty similar with Musola, right? Yeah. Now I have a descriptive text about Taj Mahal. Please read and analyze.
Hello. Sending major people back from the aquarium. The Taj Mahal is not small as a small man. Much cultural layer in the Taj Mahal is still holding more of Shahid by Taj Mahal.
Further, elemen menulis dan mempresentasikan materi about invitation. Learning objective. Siswa mampu memproduksi dan memaparkan teks undangan dalam bentuk verbal serta non-verbal secara eksplisit dan koheren. Students are able to produce and present invitation text in verbal and non-verbal forms explicitly and coherently. The media is colored papers. The purpose is to test students' writing skill, especially in material, formal, and informal invitation. Reason we choose colored papers as a media for writing and presenting elements is to test the students' creativity and see their writing skills. Here I have two colored papers. I will ask you to write an invitation letter. Yeah, informal letter with this paper, and you can use any colored pen or color, etc.
Thank you for all of the presenter. Well, ladies and gentlemen, finally we have come to the last agenda. We would like to say thank again for the presenter and your apologies. There are many mistakes that we made. Summa salam. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.